welcome to this video. In this video, I want to show you quickly how to create a thumbnail for your video. In case you are a YouTuber and you want to be creating YouTube content, you are going to need a thumbnail. A thumbnail actually helps you to be able to position your videos online so people can be attracted to it. So let me quickly show you what a thumbnail is. Now I'll come here and just open this. Okay, let me show you what a thumbnail is. So this is a thumbnail. See this now. This picture that you see here is a thumbnail. It actually helps you to attract people to your video. So with a good thumbnail, you can attract viewers, subscribers to your video, and that's what I'm going to be showing you how to do in this video. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, you're welcome to this channel. My name is Awajima. On this channel, I teach you how to do stuffs online and how to make money for yourself and grow your business. So quickly, just like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. So let's go straight to where we are going to design the thumbnail. For our thumbnail design, we are going to be using Canva. All right, we're going to be using Canva. Canva is actually an app that you can use to create your design. So if you're a beginner, you can design using Canva, so you don't have to design from scratch. There are pre-made templates that you can use to create your designs on Canva. So I'm going to go into my Canva right now. If you don't have Canva, you can just go to your Google Chrome or Google Play Store. I mean to say, you go to your Google Play Store and download it from there. So here is my Canva. This is my dashboard. In your own case, if you're downloading it for the first time, you will not see all of this. Now, when you come here, you can either come to the search area here and type YouTube thumbnail. That is if you want to create a thumbnail, or you can come here and click on it here. So just in case you don't see it here among these ones, this place, you can see it here. Just in case you don't see it, you can come here. You can come here and type YouTube thumbnails. All right. Once you type YouTube thumbnails and click on enter, it's going to bring out different thumbnails for you. Very, very easy. All right. So here, if you want to create a blank thumbnail, you want to create a thumbnail from scratch, you can come here and do it. As you can see, there are 18,800 thumbnails that are here. So you have more than enough to choose from. So you just come here and scroll. All right, you scroll and look for the one that you want to pick. Now, when you see these ones that have crowns, that have PRO, it means that you have to pay to use them. But however, you don't have to pay to before you can find the best thumbnails to use. Are you getting now? So let's say you want to pick anyone here. Which one do you want to pick? Let's say we want to pick this one, top 10 shocking moments. So we click on it, and then once you click on it, it will open this option for you to start editing and removing whatever you don't like from it. Okay, so this is a picture. Now you can see that this picture here is a white lady. Let's say you don't want this white lady, you want a black guy. What do? You are going to have to go and look for a picture of a black guy. All right, you have to go and look for a picture of a black guy, and then you come and put it here. But how do you actually do that? How do you do that you can look for the picture and remove the background and use it here? I will show you how to do it. So follow me. You come here. Let me go to my Chrome. You come here All right, you come here now, and this place you now say we want to look for a picture. Now we just say we're going to say free picture of black young man smiling. All right, whatever feeling you want to, whatever emotions you want to add for the picture that you need, you're just gonna click on it. And then when you click on it, you can see we have different smiling guys. Are you seeing it now? Can you see different smiling guys? So what I'm going to do now, you can see that this response that we have here, they come with both pictures and text and different things. So but we now want just pictures, so we're going to streamline our search to just pictures. So we're going to come here and click on images. So I'll click on images, and it's going to sieve out everything and reduce it to just pictures. Are you seeing now? So which one do we want to pick? It depends on you. So I'll come here and just pick this one that says licensable, that has a yellow color. I'll pick it. Once I pick it, I will download it. You hold it for long and then you download the image. Are you seeing now? So we download. Our image is already downloaded and it's in our download folder of our gallery. So what I'll do now, if you go to Canva and you want to use this picture, it will be uploading on Canva as with the background. It's going to be uploading on Canva with the background, and you don't want to do that, right? You want a picture without the background. So what are we going to do? We are going to remove the background. So let's remove the background. To remove background from pictures, what you're going to do is to use an app called remove background, right? Remove background. Let's go to, it's actually remove.bg. okay, can you see it? Remove.bg. You click on it once. When you click on it once, it's going to open this for us now. And when it opens, you come here and click on upload image. So once you upload image, right, so can you see the picture that we just downloaded? Can you see the picture now? So you click on it and then you click on done. So once you click on done, it's going to be uploaded here and the background will be removed. Are you seeing now? The background is now removed. So what we'll do next is to download it. So we click on download. It's saying free, so we click on the free version here and we'll download. Are you seeing it now? So the image is already downloaded. So once it's been downloaded, you have both the original image and the downloaded version that you've removed the background. So what we are going to do is to go back to Canva. Let's go back to Canva and then come here. Are you seeing this now? So what we are going to do is to click on the image where we want to remove, and then we'll click on replace. Are you seeing this now? We click on replace. Or better still, what you're going to do is to first upload the image. So to upload the image, you have to scroll this bottom here and click on upload. So once you click on upload, you come here now and click on upload files. You can see this button on top, upload files. Click on upload files and you upload from your device. Are you seeing this now? Click on upload from your device. Let's wait for it to load. Good. You can see the image that we have just uploaded. You can see the one that we have removed the background. So we're going to click on it, and once you click on it, it's going to be uploaded on Canva. Watch this place now. You're going to see that it's uploading. Good. Our image has been uploaded, so we are going to just click on it. Once you click on it, it will upload here, but that's not how we want it. All right, you can still use this method though, but once you've uploaded it on that place, you can come here and click on this image here and click on replace. Are you seeing it now? Click on replace. Then you come here and click on the image. Are you seeing it now? And then once you click on the image, it will be replaced. Are you seeing it now? So you can delete this one. Can you see this now? So this is how you can add and upload the image to your thumbnail. So once you're done with whatever you're editing, you can edit the text however you want it. If you want to change the color of the text, you can come here. You can see the color here. You click on it and change it. Let's change it to red. Can you see now? So if you want to add shadows to this image here, you click on the image and then you go to effects, right? You go to effects and then let's just wait. Go to effects. You see shadow there, you add shadow. Are you seeing this now? Come here now. Want to add outline to it, add outline. Wait, let me just remove this one. I think there's a problem with my network. Yes, so we have our image ready. So let's just do that editing we were doing before. We'll click on it and then we go to effects, click on effects. Once you click on effects, come to shadow. So come to shadow, come to outline, click on outline. And once you click on outline, you can see that it has outlined. We click on this now. We can change the color of the outline. We can come here and click on this and then we move this. We move it. Once we move it, you see that the outline is changing. Have you noticed it? The outline has changed. So that is that. So we can reduce the size of the outline or we can increase it if we want. Can you see the way it's changing? So we can reduce it if we want by just moving this slider here carefully. You can reduce or increase the size. Are you getting now? So you can come here and just play with this. So once you're satisfied with your design, the next thing you're going to do is to download it, right? So to download it, you come here and click this or you click this, right? So let me click it now. You just see it downloading directly. Let's just wait. Good. So you can see now the thumbnail is already downloading. So this is how you can design your thumbnail for your YouTube videos. I believe that you got value from this. If you got value from this, kindly tap the like button. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I publish new videos, you are going to be notified. If you need to learn, if you want to learn how to make money online, you want to learn how you can be doing stuffs online to make money, then go to the link in the description and check. I have dropped links to more information about that. You can also ask me any question you have in the comment section. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.